In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a taillight on a Toyota Tundra located in the rear of the vehicle. To access the taillight, you need to lower your tailgate, let it down, and then you'll see two mounting bolts, one here and one here. So with a 10mm socket or wrench, let's loosen up those two bolts. Good news is when you work with a tailgate, it can be a tool tray. Now once these two bolts are out, I like to use a trim tool because on this side, the fender, there's two plastic pins that go in. So it's easier if you take a nice plastic tool, trim tool, and you get it right on the plastic here and you just pull. There we go. Slide this out and just disconnect the bulb sockets. And that's just a twist counterclockwise and pull out. Now if you note on this particular vehicle, the reverse backup is right here, then your brake light and then your turn signal. And on this new style, it's a little bit of an upgrade on a look. You have the reverse up on the top, brake light still in the middle, turn signal. So what we need to do is take this harness, make sure all the bulbs are working, and we're just going to reverse it. Pop it in and turn it. Look for the large cutout, line it up with the large, and turn it. Push down and turn. Make sure they're sealed. Now we're just going to bring this harness up this way. Now you see the plastic, make sure it's in good shape. These little metal pins are going to slide right in there. Line them up, give it a little push. Take your two bolts, line them up, and hand start them. Do the same on the bottom. Once they start, you get your 10mm socket or wrench. I just bottom them out both before I really tighten them. Once it bottoms out, a nice little quarter turn or an eighth of a turn. Because that's a plastic ear in there, you don't want to break it. Turn your lights on and check them out. Now that you've checked your lights out, go ahead and shut your tailgate and you're ready to go. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.